Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to show you a super cool trick that will help you personalize your Gmail experience. We'll be talking about how to change the background theme in Gmail. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up Gmail and navigate to the settings. To do that, simply click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Gmail interface. You can scroll down to Themes section and click on View All or select See All settings from the drop-down menu. Great! Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll see different tabs at the top. Click on the Themes tab to access the theme settings. Now click on the Set Theme button. Here you'll find a variety of pre-designed themes that you can choose from. Gmail offers a collection of themes ranging from professional to fun and vibrant. You can even use your own photos as a custom background. If you find a theme you like, simply click on it to apply it instantly. You'll notice the background of your Gmail interface changes immediately. Isn't that awesome? Now, let's say you want to use your own photo as the background. To do that, click on the My Photos tab. Here you can choose a photo from Featured tab or select one from your Google Photos library. Just click on the option you prefer. Once you've selected a photo, click on Select button. Click on Save button to apply the theme. Remember, you can always go back and change the theme whenever you like. If you want to go back to the default theme, simply choose the default theme from the available options. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Gmail theme background to reflect your personal style. Now every time you log in, your inbox will look unique and visually appealing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy emailing!